Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about 10 times as many, 100 times as many, and word problems. So we're going to look about how to analyze and dissect word problems, like talk about 110 times as many, or 10 times as much, or 100 times as much. Let's start with a problem. Let's do something simple. Let's talk about 565 times 10. The best way I can really think to do this is to put it in a place value chart. My 500, my 65, and my 5 ones. 500, 6 tens, 5 ones. I'm multiplying up by 10. So I have to think to myself, everything gets 10 times bigger. My 500 now becomes 5,000s. My 6 tens become 600s. My 5 ones become 5 tens. And I have nothing to move over behind the 1 here. So I put a 0. So my new answer would be 5,650. That's when I'm getting bigger than, that's when I'm getting larger. I'm multiplying. I'm doing 5 times as many, not 10 times as many, not 10 times less. So it's 10 times as many. Let's do another one and I'll get you all started. Let's try this one. Let's say I have 7,281, and I want to multiply that by 100. Last time, everything was getting 10 times bigger, so move over one space. This time I have my 2 zeros. Everything's getting 100 times bigger, so when I multiply, I'm going to go over 2 spaces. So let's start over. 7,281. Because it's getting times 100, I want to multiply it by 2. Sorry, move it over 2 place values. To my 10,000, to my 100,000. My 200 now becomes 20,000. My 8 tens become 8,000s. My 110 now becomes 100. And if I think about this another way, I have 1 here, and I'm doing 1 times 100, that's 100. 80 times 100 is 8,000. 200 times 100 is 20,000. 7,000 times 100 is 700,000. Another way to think about that. Also, I have 0 tens and 0 ones. So my new answer would be 728,100. I'm going to give one for you to work on your own. And let's see how you all can do with that. Obviously, you're not going to be drawing a place value chart on here. If you need a place value chart to work this problem out, please get one. I will let you use place value charts on the test, so it can really help you. So here's your problem for you to solve on your own. 8,901 times 10. Go ahead and work that out. And we are back. Let's plug it in our place value chart. 8,901 times 10. Everything gets one place value bigger. 80,000, 89,000, 0 hundreds, 110, 0 ones. My answer is 89,010. Remember, also think about, I just add a 0 to the back of my number. Right? That's really all you're doing. Okay. Let's try a word problem. So here's our word problem. The population of Riverbank is 21,740. The population of Modesto is 10 times, 10 times that of Riverbank. Let's move this over. What is the population of Modesto? Automatically, I can look at for some things. I have my number here. If I want to cubes it, and I have a number here, 10. I have my question, what is the population of Modesto? I have this, times. Times obviously means multiply. So with that, I can figure it out. I have 21,740, and I want to multiply that by 10. If I write it out as a problem, it will really help me to think about it. I just take everything and move it over one place value. 1,000 becomes 10,000. 700 becomes 7,000. 4 tens becomes 400. My 0 stays the same, and I add a 0 to the back. Put my comma, and I'm set. It's a word problem, so I need a sentence. Oops, let's type it up here. The population of Modesto is 217,400. Okay, let's try another one. So here's our next question. The Fresno Zoo can hold up to 1,952 animals. The San Diego Zoo can hold 100 times as many animals. How many animals does the San Diego Zoo hold? We can start our problem off by cubing it. I'm going to circle my numbers. I'm talking about 1,952 animals. I have 100. I can underline my question. How many animals does the San Diego Zoo hold? The word times is my key. Times means multiply. So I put it in my place value chart. And I multiply it by 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So everything's going to go over 2 spaces. 1, 2. My 1,000 becomes 100,000. My 900 becomes 90,000. My 5 tens become 5,000s. My 2 ones become 200s. 0 at the ends. And my new answer is 195,200. Here's one for you to try on your own. Here's your problem to work on. The gym at Oakdale Junior High School has enough seats for 1,213 people. The Oracle Arena, that's where the Golden State Warriors play, has 10 times as many seats. How many seats does the Oracle Arena have? Go ahead and work on this problem, and when you come back, we'll review it together. And we're back. Hopefully you got this answer right. I have my starting number, 1,213. 10 times as many, meaning I want to multiply everything by 10. Everything gets 10 times bigger. 10,000, 2,000s, whoops, 100, 3 tens, 0 ones. I write my sentence. The Oracle Arena, make sure you spell it correctly because it's in the problem, has 12,130 seats. All right, there'll be a couple more questions for you at the end of this video. When you're done, other videos, Zern, talk to Mrs. Fike if you have any questions, or the substitute. Have a great day.